Breaking news, mid-air collision. One radio-controlled plane spirals down, another flies away unscathed. In a dramatic mid-air collision, two RC airplanes collided in the skies above Hornsby Electric Model Flying Club on Friday the 19th of July 2024. The incident occurred when a profile RC plane and a Bixler 2 came into contact at an altitude of approximately 50 meters. Eyewitnesses reported seeing the Bixler 2 spiral out of control following the collision. The pilot attempted to regain control, but the plane ultimately descended rapidly, crashing into a field. Safety officers were promptly dispatched to the scene, and the pilot and passengers was rescued with minor injuries. In a remarkable turn of events, the profile plane involved in the collision sustained no visible damage and continued its flight without further incident. The pilot of the profile plane reported the collision to air traffic control and safely landed at the intended destination. The aviation community is closely monitoring the investigation, emphasizing the importance of safety protocols to prevent such incidents in the future. The Bixler 2 sustained a broken rudder and a motor pod.